Finding and using your Clickbank tracking aid is a straightforward process that can help you track where your conversions are coming from. To get started, log into your Clickbank account and find your account nickname on the main dashboard. This nickname will be associated with your affiliate account, and you can choose appropriate offers to promote from the Clickbank marketplace. Your Clickbank nickname will be automatically associated with these offers. And if you are promoting the same offer in multiple places, using a tracking ID can be particularly useful. For example, if you are promoting a product on both YouTube and a Facebook group, you'd want to create separate tracking aids. You want to create separate tracking aids, use one for YouTube and another for Facebook. These tracking IDs can be named accordingly, such as YouTube or FB. But to create a tracking ID, click on the offer you want to promote, click on the promote button, and then scroll down to the section where you can add a tracking ID. Enter your desired tracking ID and click on create hop link. You'll have your encrypted hop link, which you can copy to use in your promotions. So to ensure you've associated the correct tracking ID, open the copy hop link in a new tab, scroll down to find the add to cart button, and click on it. When you scroll down further, you'll see your encrypted nickname, which is now encrypted for security reasons. Enter your tracking ID to confirm that it's correctly associated with your affiliate link. Then it's important to test your affiliate link by opening it in a new tab and checking that everything works as expected. This verification step ensures that your tracking ID is correctly set up and functioning. By following these simple steps, you can find, create, and use tracking IDs in Clickbank without any hassle.